a quick recording. This is of the infamous, what did you call them? The infamous triplets.
Infamous triplets. Bring Naomi back.
I think that's wonderful. The infamous triplets, and we're doing this on the song "We'll Meet Again" on two of our chord substitutions: a D minor 7 and a G9, which we were doing earlier with "Mary Had a Little Lamb." This is a whole lot more hip. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first thing I identify is what is my pocket of time. We have a measure of D minor 7. We have a measure of G9. So now the triplet means that I'm doing 3 things on a beat. So that means in one measure, I'm doing 12 things. So the way I do a triplet here, I'm going down, up, tap, down, up, tap. So I move in here. I'm using my fingernails. I'm going down, up with the flesh, and then I am tapping the G string. If you notice, it's more like a flick, like that. It's not a strum, I'm just flicking. Let me turn it this way so you can see. And you can see how I'm flicking up like that. And if you have really good ears, you can hear how I'm rolling across the wood. So it's like a kind of thing like this. So down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, tap. So let's just do it very, very slowly. D minor 7, 2, 3, 4, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, G9, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, tap. Let's do it again. D minor 7, 2, 3, 4, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, G9. Now, I was doing a little bit more of a rhythmic embellishment with this song. I was going. I'm still doing the down, up, tap, down, up, tap. You notice my right hand's still doing the thing, but with my left hand, I'm easing up on the pressure so that I'm getting a mute sound. So I strum and let those strings ring on the downbeat, the first beat of the measure, and the rest of the time I'm muting the string. So I have this. See that? Now here it is without the mute. Here it is with mute. And here's another variation. So what did I do there? Let me slow it down. With the D minor, I was going ring, mute, 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 ring, mute. So what we did was we went from where you're completely doing ringing the strings to just on the downbeat. And here on beats 1 and 3, let it ring on 1 and 3. And to change it up. Do we love our infamous triplets in the class? Yay! All right.